convert the decimal 0.9 to a fraction and simplify it to its simplest form. Let's start with our decimal 0.9. To convert a decimal to a fraction, we need to understand what this decimal means. In decimal notation, numbers after the decimal point represent tenths, hundredths, thousandths, and so on. In this case, the 9 is in the tenths place, which means we're dealing with 9/10. So we can write 0.9 as 9/10. Let's understand why this works when we have a decimal with one digit after the decimal point. We multiply it by 10 to get a whole number, then put it over 10. Now, let's check if we can simplify this fraction further. To simplify a fraction, we need to find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Let's list out the factors of 9 and 10. Looking at these factors, we can see that 9 and 10 only share one as a common factor. When two numbers only share one as a common factor, we say they are relatively prime. This means that 9/10 is already in its simplest form. We cannot reduce it any further. So, we've successfully converted 0.9 to a fraction. Remember the steps. First, identify the place value. Then, write the number as a fraction over the appropriate power of 10. Finally, check if the fraction can be simplified by finding common factors